Hello everyone, we are Fengchi company. We show today machine parts installation and test machine method. Before using the laminating machine and the turning machine, we must first test the machine to see if there is any abnormality. However, before the test machine, we will have strict requirements on the installation of each component, because only good quality can be guaranteed. Display and installation of machine parts. Round rod straightening jump. Ensure straight line requirements. Use suits. Carry out bearing installation. Ensure even force. Closely connected. Flute laminating machine operation testing. 1. Spray surface inspection. 2. Chromium layer detection. 3. Noise detection. 4. Run at high speed for 2 hours. 5. Temperature detection. Display and installation of paper turner components. Sheet straightening. Ensure straight line requirements. Slider bearing installation. Gear bearing installation. Ensure even force. Closely connected. Wear resistant and durable. Auto flip-flop stacker operation testing. 1. Spray surface inspection. 2. Chromium layer detection. 3. Noise detection. 4. Run at high speed for 2 hours. 5. Temperature detection. Quality comes from the focus on refinement. Every exquisite craftsmanship comes from the silent persistence of scientific researchers. Every breakthrough in quality comes from the strict control of technicians. Fengchi puts customers first and strives for perfection.